Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate hub for the latest in tech innovation. Today, we're exploring the intriguing rumors surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, which is already making waves in early prototypes. According to tipster reports, this next-gen flagship is set to borrow a key feature from Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold line, an under-display selfie camera, eliminating the visible cutout seen in previous models. This bold move could redefine selfie quality if Samsung manages to significantly enhance the sensor's performance. Additionally, whispers suggest that the S26 Ultra might even be rebranded as the S26 Note, boasting a brighter, more efficient display, a jaw-dropping 200MP periscope telephoto camera, and an advanced Exynos chipset. While these details are still evolving, the potential upgrades promise to set a new benchmark in premium smartphones. Stay tuned to TechVerse for the latest updates and insights on Samsung's flagship evolution.